making monkey bread. So in the pan is brown sugar and butter. You make a syrup. You just melt it. Just let it sit here and cool. I'm making a video. Say hello. So basically you're just coating them in the bottom of the pan, and then you're just going to pour the rest on top. So you just put it in the oven until it's like puffy and like golden brown and stuff, and the syrup's gonna be bubbly, and then you just glaze it and then it's done. I'll show you the end product.
Drink water, it's good for your soul. Little break.